Here are the Winter Wonderland litter at 7 weeks old. Here's Blitzen. Hi, buddy. He likes that new toy. Do you feel like you caught something? Dasher, what you got? Hey, Godiva. Hi, Godiva. Ah, they're crowding in on the ball with feathers. Hey, sweetie pies. Prancer. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. Hey, Vixen. Vixen. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Mommy's very involved. What have you got now? An octopus. An octopus. Blitzen's got a ball with a feather on it. Up, Godiva's in on it. I just gave them a few new toys. Hey, Dasher. Dasher, look up. Look up. Did you just squeak? Did you just squeak? Godiva. Godiva, hi. Hi, cutie. Hey, Prancer, you were trying to get that from him? Here's another one. That's a spider, kind of. That's fun, too. Oh, look, he abandoned it. Want it? Vixen. Trying to get some of your face, guys. Yeah, we want to see those cute faces. Come here. Come here. Hey, buddy. Did you get a feather in your mouth? Mommy. Who's in there? Vixen. Who's in there, Vixen? I can hear them running. Who's in there? like this? Hey, you, who's ever in there? Come on out and play. It's Godiva. Come on, Godiva. Come on out and play. Come on, sweetie. Woo! Come on, you two, come on over. Hey, look up. Hey, guys. Prince, now there really is something for you to chase. There's really something there. Oh, how cute. Ooh. You're gonna get it, huh, Godiva? Are you gonna get it? Hey, Vixen. Hey, sweetie. Ah, sure. Oh, yes, you want to play too. Vixen. Okay, everybody. I think that's enough for tonight. We'll do another video when they're about 8 weeks old. Goodbye from the Winter Wonderland litter.